Good morning friends, please subscribe my telegram channel and please go to search box and type target for Grand League and please subscribe it friends. And today's second match is CYM vs NTC. We will check the stats of wicket keepers. Jet Server. Jet Server is a very good player and he will open the innings or one down innings. Please select him as a main player. 23 matches, 221 runs he has scored in matches. And next Vaikan. Vaikan also a good batsman and he will open from NCT side and he is very attacking batsman. You can score very well in power play 3 overs. So please go through with him also. And Patrani is a second and lower middle order batsman. So if you want to take him, you can go with him. And next we will see the stats of batsmen. R. Manjumdar. He will open the innings or 3 down. He is a very low middle order, but he can't score highest runs. C. Sanduvan. C. Sanduvan is not playing from two days also. If he is there in this match, please select him because he is a very good attacking batsman and he will open along with Jet Server also. Next M Khan. M Khan is a very good batsman and experienced player and he will come as a one down or two down player. He will bowl if there is a chance. He will bowl 1 or 2 hours also. A Jamil, he is also a very good player and he is a attacking batsman, but he is not at all coming as a opener or one down. So he is coming as a lower middle order batting. So if you want to take with him, so you can take him in mini leagues also. M Hussain is a captain of CYM. He is a very good experienced player. He can score 20 to 25 runs. So please keep him as a very good main player. Asul Hassan is there in a batsman, but he will bowl 2 hours. I think he is not coming for batting, but he can bowl 2 hours and he is a very good punt for Grand Leagues also. And Jay Hassan is a lower middle order, but he will bowl 1 hour, so there is no chance of taking wickets. So leave him, and if you want to take him, you can go through with him also. So batsman stats I have said. Next we will go to the all rounders. All rounders is a very good punt. Gursawak Singh is a very good attacking player and he will bowl 2 hours and he will take crucial wickets also. So please keep him as a main player and go with him as a captain or vice captain. A Hussain is a very good attacking batsman. He will come at 2 down or 3 down batting. So if he is come, he will score very good runs, 30 plus also, and he will bowl 2 hours. So please go through with him also. Aizaman batting order is not fixed. He will come as opener and he will come as a fourth down, but he will bowl 2 hours and he is a very main player. He can change the game also. So please keep him as a vice captain or captain in mini leagues or grand league also. Ranimekala is a very good batsman, but he is not playing from 2 days also. If he is there in this match, please go through with him also. R. Hassan is a good attacking batsman and he will open if he is there in the match. He will open the innings along with Jet Server. And B. Ahmad, yesterday's match he opened the innings, but unlucky he ducked out. But if he is open this match, he will play very well. El Singh is a very good bowler. He will not come as a batting, but he will bowl 2 hours. R. Polori is also a good batting order. He will come as a two down or fourth down, and he will bowl 1 hour like that. M. Alankani, he will not come as a batting, but he will bowl 2 hours, friends, in middle order. So go through with him also. Next we will see the bowling attack. A Manan is a good bowler, but he is not performed very well in this tournament. But he will come as is a 2 down or 3 down batting, and he will score maximum 15 runs only, friends. F Ahmad is a very good punt in Grand Leagues because he will come as a 2 down player and he will bowl 2 hours. Good attacking batsman. Next, R. Kumar is a good economical bowler. He will bowl in depth overs also, friends. He has taken very crucial wickets yesterday's match. So please give him as a captain or vice captain also, friends. Yamin is a very good bowler, friends, but he didn't play yesterday's match. If he is there in this match, please go through with him also, friends. Al Tasmin, friends, he is a very good bowler, friends, but he will not get any chance because NCT have a lot of bowling options also, friends. So there is low middle low chance, friends. So try him in a grand league also, friends. Next, Wakar Ali, friends, he is a very good punt also, friends, because R Kumar and Wakar Ali are main players, friends, because there are the wicket takers in CYM, friends. Please go with this combination also, friends. Next, F Maya is a captain of NCT. He is a part time bowler. He will not bat also. Please Don't waste your credits, friends. If he is playing well, we can go through with him, but he's not playing, friends. But it is your choice to take him or not. And K Reyes, he will bowl one over, friends. If you want to take him, you can go with him. And Kajalwal is a very good bowler, friends. Don't leave him if he is there in this match, because he is the wicket taking bowler, friends. And I will tell you the main players from both sides, friends, because I have made a list, because don't leave them in your grand leagues or small leagues, friends. I will show you the player names, friends. And NCT main players: Vaikan, S. Ul Hasan, A. Hussain, I. Jaman, A. Manan. Captain and vice captain choices are S. Ul Hasan, A. Hussain, I. Jaman, and Vaikan. And I will show you the CYM main players. M. Khan is a very good punt, friends. M. Hussain, Gursavak Singh, R. Kumar, Jet Server. And my captain and vice captain choices are Gursavak Singh, R. Kumar, and M. Khan, friends. So my suggestion for leagues is, friends, Grand League and play Grand League, mini leagues, friends. Don't play head to head, because there will be a change in opponent team. There will be a change in one player, so you may be lost. If you play Grand Leagues, you will at least get your money back, friends. So go through these leagues only, friends. And please subscribe my Telegram channel and YouTube channel, friends. I will keep you in the description. Thank you, friends.